Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another grocery video. And today, as promised, I told you guys I was going to come back today with a grocery haul. This is some of the groceries. Share the rest of it tomorrow. But how y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. Hope y'all getting y'all groceries. I know a lot of talk about how expensive it is in the grocery store these days. Yes, it's true. Especially beef is so expensive. I just can't get over the price of beef. I just can't get over not being able to buy it. I'm not even gonna play. That's a lot of money for beef, even though I want some so bad. It would have to be oh, I told y'all Costco got some nice looking beef, but that baby, shoot, $60, $70, $80. Shoot, some of it's $100 and some. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out something, cause I definitely need me a piece of beef, especially when I get my doggone Instapot, cause that's what I want to cook it in the Instapot. But anyway, let me get to what I'm talking about today. This grocery haul, and I picked up things that I use on a regular basis when I make certain dishes that we make. Enchiladas not so often, but often enough to where I bought 6 of these doggone seasoning packs, and that's gonna last me for a good while. And also, yeah, I'm making American enchiladas. That's why McCormick got down with us folks that live in America and don't got any cuisine skills, so they come up with little convenient, helpful spices and seasonings so we can pretend like we got something going on in the kitchen. But with this McCormick enchilada sauce, yep, it'll get you close enough. Let me just say that. But also, what else did I pick up? I picked up some of them diced pimentos. I was definitely out of my pimentos. That's a staple. I always want to have me some diced pimentos. And I got what, 2, 4, 3, I got 8 jars. Yep, I got 8 jars. Don't I? 2, 4, 6, 8. Yep. 8 jars of pimentos. First I thought I had 12, but I'm gonna have to look back at my dang paper. Hold up, y'all. Let me see if that's right. Guys, sorry about that. I hit the wrong button, and it's so noisy around here today on Saturday. What was I talking about? Oh, I was talking about them diced pimento. Yeah, I got 8 pack, 2 diced pimentos, and it's a staple around here because I love my pimentos. Surely do. I use that in a lot of things. I'm basically, for my pantry, basically when I'm shopping, I'm getting staples that I use for seasonings or just ingredients that I need to use for a particular meal. That's how I'm shopping. More things like in my pantry where I got cases of vegetables and canned goods. That's for like a little long-term situation, prepper, survival type pantry things when you go by. When you got lots of stuff in the pantry and stuff. And also pantries, when you have pantries, it helps you save money too, so that you don't have to, when you need something, when you want to cook something and make, and you all have your ingredients, you know, you already stocked up on ingredients, so you don't have to worry about going to the store and getting something. You already have it. That's the beauty of a pantry. is stocking up on ingredients on stuff that you're gonna cook regularly, your staples that you're gonna cook often. You can get 4-5 meals if you have 4-5 of those ingredients. And if that's how often you cook it, then you know that's how you buy it when you fill up your pantry. Shoot, make all your stuff make sense. And like I said, when you get 3 of something, and next time you get 3 more, it's gonna turn into a case of goodies. So you just be wise how you shop. Okay, what else did I get? I got me some Taco Bell because I love my Taco Bell taco sauce. I got 2 Mile. These are the 7.5 ounce bottle. So I got 2 Mile and 2 Hot. I love me some Taco Bell. I don't know, some certain things, to me the flavor is better than others. Like that, okay, I know what I was trying to tell y'all one day. The barbecue sauce, I like Casey Masterpiece. I like Crisp Pits. I like Crafts. And the one I don't like anymore is the Sweet Rays, whatever it's called, Sweet Rays, whatever. I don't like that one. The one they sell in Sam's Club or Costco, like the only barbecue sauce they want to sell. I love me some Crafts and Casey Masterpiece, Crisp Pits. I love all them old school ones. I don't like Sweet Baby Ray's, whatever it is. It's a bland taste to me. It ain't got no barbecue taste in it. I don't know, they playing with that barbecue sauce. I need me some barbecue, real barbecue flavor. And I also picked up me some more Tiger sauce. My favorite wing sauce, besides the Tiger sauce, is good. It got a good flavor, but let me show y'all the one that I like the most, that I just got me a pile of, a stock of. Well, I got, let me see, what did I get? 6 bottles, but let me show y'all my favorite wing sauce. Hold on. This right here, Texas Pete. Well, I won't say favorite, but I like Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce. Where did I learn about the wings, Texas Pete? Over there at Old School Chef Jeffrey. He was doing a, what do you call it? He cooks and does, and he eats the food, so I guess it's a half mukbang, but he cooked. And he was over there cooking some wings, and he was trying out different hot wing sauces. And he's even said, I think, that the Texas Pete had a better flavor. And to me, I agree. I can taste this Texas Pete, and it tastes pretty good to me. Yes, it do. The other one, I tried another one. They got, what is his name? Chef, the white dude on Food Network with the white spiky hair. I forgot his name. Ferrano or something. I don't like his wing sauce. It's too much going on. It's like a mayonnaise-y, tart, bland, unwingy saucy to me. It ain't like a hot wing sauce to me. I don't like that one. I got that stuff still sitting in the refrigerator. Wonder why it ain't all gone, because I don't like the flavor of it. But this Texas Pete is pretty good. And the Tiger sauce is pretty good. Tiger sauce got a little sweetness to it. But I would mix the Tiger and the Texas Pete together. Good flavor sauce, but that's what I wanted to share. And I got a good stash coming, 6 more bottles of that Texas Pete. And I think I got 3 bottles. I got another bottle of that Tiger sauce around here somewhere. But these are the little ingredients that I use regularly. Not as often as the enchilada sauce, but I cook it often enough. When I can put it in more than just for enchiladas, let me tell you that. But you don't have to just use enchilada sauce for enchiladas. You can use it whatever you want. you know how to cook, you know what the flavor is, you going for some kind of, go for it. But anyway, that's it. That's all. And then as far as the pantry organizing, cleaning, decluttering, that's still going on. For instance, over here on this counter, I'm about to move the rotisserie in this crock pot. I'm about to make a spot on the shelf for it, and I'm going to put me some kind of riser on this counter where I can store stuff, because counters are made for storing stuff on it. Some people will really disagree because they don't like a lot of stuff on their counter, but shoot, I need storage space because I'm the one that I like stuff around me. Take all this stuff over here, for instance. I like things that are useful in the kitchen and that I use. This stuff just ain't up here just because it's look nice. I'm using these tools, kitchen tools. And over here on this side, I'm gonna replace this, get rid of this crock pot and the rotisserie. That's my weight scale over there next to the stove, sitting against that black rotisserie. But I'll move these items over on the shelf, and like I said, I'm gonna give me a riser, pedestal, something to store something on this counter. But that's it, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this little grocery haul / pantry update, goings on and what's happening. And if you got some of your own, please share. And don't forget, yes, Miss Janita will get around to you and your channel eventually. Sorry that I'm not coming as fast as you want me to, but shoot, I'll come. If I don't really have the time, I'll just come through and give you a good thumbs up and probably leave a comment to let you know I was there. And I just looked through your video, and sometimes I just gotta let them just run, because I got a lot of stuff that I'm trying to do, and sometimes I'm not always available to sit and watch everybody's video. I'm just being honest. But y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching. If you ain't subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification, thumbs up, leave a comment, check out a playlist. All of these things are great support for this channel. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my